meeting, it was a one-to-one meeting.
ओके.
म्हाका गेल्या विधानसभेक 2022च्या इलेक्शनान म्हाका टिकेट दिवनाशिल्ली.
हय.
म्हाका बरो ना म्हणून म्हाका सांगलें तूं बरो जा, मागीर तुका तसलें पोजिशन आमी दितलें. तेच्या नंतर इलेक्शन जालें, BJP गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जालो, सगळें जालें. तेंच्यानी वासपूस केली ना. तांकां विचारपाक येयल्लो हांव, म्हाका प्रॉमीस केल्लें म्हणून हांव त्या वेळार रावलो ना. आय सपोर्टेड द BJP. देन आय वील गेट माय पोजिशन. सो म्हाका सांगला तेणी आतां पळोवन सांगता म्हणून आमी विचार करूं.
ओके. सो आतां कितें एश्युरन्स दिला?
They told me that they will let me know.
ओके.
I will wait for 1 week. I will take my own decision.
फुडल्या इलेक्शनाचेर सर कितें उलोवप जालां?
The election, I told them that I am interested, but still not at election is declared. So they can't promise anything now. I said, okay, bye.
सो
तर
आनी
समजा जर तुमकां टिकेट डिनाय केली पार्टीन जाल्यार तुमी वेगळो विचार कितें करतले अशें कितें आसा?
Definitely. There are other many parties. There is a Congress. Again, they are also in touch with me. Goa Forward is also in touch with me. So I will take my own decision. I will wait for another maximum 8 days.
ओके.
I will take my decision. I will not wait for last moment.
So, but present MLA is there, no? BJP. Present MLA आणि राजेश फळदेसाय हांणी तर तुमकां
I don't
दिसता
know who is Rajesh Vajasa. I don't know.
पूण ओवरऑल सरकाराचें कामकाज कशें पळयता सर सद्याचें चल्लां तेंचें?
Nothing is moving. Only they are busy in counting the money.
सद्याचे तुमच्याच सरकाराचेर तुमी आरोप करता.
Or all ministers are busy in counting money.
तुमकां दिसता CM चेंज जावपा जाय सर?
Nothing is happening in Goa.
सर आनी तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन बायगिणी प्रोजेक्टाचेर बोवाळ जालो. सो
Bangini project, I am opposing. I have opposed that project since beginning, and till now I am opposing.
ओके.
I don't think it will come there.
सो टायम पडल्यार तुमी
People
CM कडेन
don't-
वयतले?
People don't want that project there.
ओके.
सर बट वाय यू सेड की ऑल मिनिस्टर आर बिझी इन मेकिंग मनी तुमकां दिसता ऑल मिनिस्टर्स
Baba, I paid last week. I paid around 50 to 20 lakhs to one minister. I don't want to
फॉर वॉट सर?
take it for a small work. He took my one file which I processed from the department. From his department, he took that file at his home and kept a message that if somebody come to collect this, to inquire this file, tell that fellow to come and meet me. So accordingly, I sent my manager to meet the minister. Then he told to meet his PA. He met his PA, and PA directly demanded 15 or 20 lakhs rupees. I know at least 15 to 20 lakhs has been paid last week. And it was not a big work. It's a routine work because I was also minister. I know what are the procedures follows in the department.
सो कोण
म्हणजे
सर
सर-
मिनिस्टर? नाव सांगू शकता तुमी?
I don't want to take a name, but when I leave a party, I will take a name.
ओके.
म्हणजे सध्या प्रत्येक फायल जर मूव करतलो गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटान जाल्यार खंय तरी कितें दिवचें पडटा.
I tell you very frankly, it's not also corruption, it's a loot. Loot is going on in Goa. It's an entire rampant loot is going.
सो आनी कॅश फॉर जॉब जे जाता ते?
In the name of the corruption, it's a loot is going in Goa.
आनी कॅश फॉर जॉब
The loot. Whatever way they want to grab the money, every minister is busy in grabbing the money. All ministers.
So when you are saying this government is corrupt, so then why you are planning to join the same BJP? You are saying this government is
No, I have come to ask my position because they have promised me last election, 2022 election, and they kept me silent. Otherwise, I would have been elected, contested the election at that time only, and I would have been today MLA. Because that is what they vote to give me.
So how you see the present MLA performance?
Nobody is performing. Nobody performs.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
People are waiting them to throw them out.
Okay.
I tell you, there would be at least 50% new MLAs for the next coming election. At least 50% will the sitting MLAs will go home. At least 50%.
Okay.
The people are waiting for that opportunity.
Who is more close to you, Congress or Goa for?
Goa Forward and Congress, the principle is same. The only Goa Forward have fortunately a very good dynamic leader like Vijay Sardesai. Where Congress party is principle wise it's a good party. But till now I don't look any very dynamic leader in Goa.
Hmm.
In Congress, people want a Congress in Goa, but still leadership is also matters.
बट सर काँग्रेसींची मागीर बीजेपीन गेली न्हू सो ताका लागून लिडरशीप खातीर काँग्रेस
People
खेळ्ळी
will teach them lesson.
ओके
Those who have changed the party, people will teach them lesson. That was not the last election.
ओके
Definitely people are waiting now. People will teach them the lesson.
ओके
Thank you, sir. Thank you.